Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to study the most important topic of electrochemistry, which is Bohr's atomic model, which is given by Niels Bohr in 1930. Before Bohr, Rutherford has given the linear model of atom, but the Rutherford was not able to explain why the electron revolve around the nucleus and why they don't release the energy and fire off. That's why the Bohr has introduced the model which is Bohr's atomic model. Bohr's atomic model explains some postulates. The first postulate is the electrons revolve around the nucleus with the constant energy. So this is our nucleus, and Bohr says that the electrons revolve around the nucleus. So uh, inner with the constant energy. So this orbit, this which is known as the orbit, electrons revolve around the nucleus in the constant manner, which is known as the orbits. So these are represented by K, L, M, and N, so on, and either with 1, 2, and 3. So first postulate is that the electrons revolve around the nucleus with the constant energy. And the second postulate states that the angular momentum is not continuous, which means that it is quantized, which means that the electrons can be revolve around the only in specific orbits, which are the multiple of r h upon 2 pi, which means that angular momentum, which is represented with L, is equal to n into x upon 2 phi, where the value of n is 1, 2, or 3, and h is our constant whose value is, it is the Planck's constant. Planck's constant. So here h is the Planck's constant whose value is 6.626 into 10 raised to power minus 34 Joule Ceti. So this is the second postulate which says that the angular momentum is not continuous, it is quantized. The electrons can move only in those orbit which has the value multiple of x squared 2 pi. And the next we have is the when the electron wants to move from one orbit to another orbit, it either release the energy or absorb the energy. When it goes from the lower orbit to the higher orbit, it absorbs the energy, and when it comes from the higher orbit to the lower orbit, it releases the energy in form of the electricity. And the value of angular momentum we have is m. M is the mass, V is the velocity, and R is the radius. So when we want to find any values, that we have to put these values and we can find out the value. So these are the three postulates. First we had is the electrons revolve around the nucleus with the constant energy, which is known as orbit. Second we have is the angular momentum is not continuous, it is quantized. The electron can move only in which orbit which has the value multiple of the h upon 2 pi. And the third we have is where the electron wants to move from lower level to higher, it absorb the energy, and then higher to lower, it releases the energy. So this is the model given by Bohr. Thanks for watching. Follow Study Point for more such information.